So everyone knows that AEX is one of the most performance-based AOSP ROM out there. Today we will be looking at latest AOSP extended 8.5 running on Xiaomi POCO F1. To begin with, let's quickly get into About Phone session. Yes, the ROM is based upon Android 11 and it got latest security patch from 5th August 2021. The kernel they are using is Shiva no-name kernel. SC Linux is by default set as enforcing. Moving forward under security session, the ROM does include fingerprint IR face unlock. Both did become more faster and reliable comparing with previous 8.4 version. The ROM is not encrypted out of the box, but if you want you can encrypt it manually. Another important change is rounded corner. Under extensions display cutout you can hide the corner, but it won't be rounded. To make it rounded you need to go to MISC extensions and disable use framework options. Once you've done that, you can control the corner as per your need. One time you did set that, you don't need to change it again. Everything else is the same as previous 8.4 version, but the ROM did become more smoother and responsive. If you are someone using AES 8.4 and upgrading to AES 8.5, you will feel that change for sure. Out of the box, the ROM is not rooted and passes Saftynet check as well. If you come to Google Play settings, Google Play protection is also present. As like any previous AEX build, even in this build, thermal profiles are included in MI extras. You can select system-wide or per app thermal from here. After selecting appropriate thermals, Antutu scores 3,58,000 plus. And Geekbench scores for single core 506 and multi-core 2213, which are pretty decent scores for Snapdragon 845. To understand more on performance, I did perform a 30-minute CPU throttling test. The graphs were in green almost all the time. As an end result, the ROM was able to pull out 2,14,000 plus GIPS value, which is something great. One thing I noticed here is even after benchmarking and CPU throttling test, the phone temperature was not exceeded 48 degrees Celsius. Now that being said, let's do a gaming test. BGMI with smooth plus extreme settings. Overall, the ROM experience was really good. One point you need to keep in mind that if you change the thermal for gaming, you should change it back to balanced or battery centric, else it will drain your battery more than it should be. I suggest to select per app thermals. If you use it accurate, you can get it more than 7 hours easily. I didn't find any other major bugs with this ROM. Everything was pretty smooth and solid. Without any doubt, if you are someone who is looking for a solid AOSP based ROM with performance, you should try this one. Yes, the gaming experience was also really great on this build. I never noticed any major frame drops, which is something great. So that's it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated, and I'll catch you in next one.